Hey yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So today I'm just going to be doing my after dark cleaning routine. We have just finished eating our dinner, so I'm just cleaning and I'm just going to be tidying up so that our life can be a little bit easier the following day. So I'm going to show you guys what I do before I actually go to bed. I clean the lounge, I clean the kitchen, just a little bit of tied up. So if there's any leftovers, I just try to put them in a lunchbox so that my kids can have them tomorrow for lunch, so that I don't have to cook again. That is if there's any leftovers left. And then I'll just head on to actually do my dishes. I always think that if you go to bed without cleaning your dishes, the following day it's going to be hectic, and the day is just going to be, it's just going to be horrible. So if you're new here, we do decorations on budget and we do clean with me videos just to make your life a little bit easier. So if you like a little bit of motivation or just inspiration to actually come and clean, you're welcome to come here and do it. I've got a smaller house, so it's quite easy for us to do it, guys. And if you just want to do decorations that is like renter friendly, this is your place to actually come as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the surfaces. I always just clean it with sunlight liquid or washing up liquid, that's all, and then just use a paper towel to dry it up. So guys, pink stuff is actually the real deal. I use pink stuff on almost everything, for the surfaces, for the stove, for the dishes, for pans, literally everything. Go and check it out. You can find it from Poundland, Home Bargains, The Range. Lots of shops actually have like this pink stuff. So yeah, go and check it out. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly do my stove. As you can see, it's tiny, so it's not gonna be so hard to do. It's just 2 minutes and I'm done. And also guys, whenever you do dishes, make sure you put them away the same night, because I feel like if you don't dry your dishes and put them in the cupboards, it's just the same as you not doing the dishes. If I can't dry the dishes, I might as well just leave it for tomorrow, because I'm just still gonna wake up and it's just gonna feel like, oh my god, I still have got dishes loads everywhere. So I always put my dishes away when I finish, and then I'm just cleaning my sink using that magic pink stuff again. So guys, like I told you, this pink stuff like really do wonders. So yo, today I got flowers for nothing. They were just like, oh, I love you. That was so cute. So my husband got me flowers on his way from work. And yeah, this normally happens maybe after every week or after 2 weeks actually. Yeah, I think 2 weeks is more accurate. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I arrange my flowers. I love flowers. They actually make me feel so happy. Like after I clean and I just put my flowers there, it just makes me feel like oh, you know, that type of word. So yeah, I'm just gonna, I always cut my flowers at the end for them to last longer. They actually probably last for about 2 weeks and they'll still be fresh and nice. I just change the water maybe once. So yeah, just watch me arrange my flowers. I love lilies, like they are literally my favorite flowers. Then if my husband is coming back and he is not passing through where he can get all lilies, he just buys me anything. But my absolute favorite is lilies because I love it when they are blooming, guys. You know, when you just wake up one day, like in the morning, and you just see one flower blooming, one by one blooming, it just makes me feel so happy when I wake up in the morning and see my flowers all blooming. So guys, this is another trick that I've just started doing these days. Is I will be like cleaning or doing some stuff in the kitchen. I always try to go in one of the cupboards and just tidy it up. Earlier on in my previous video, you saw me tidying up my spice cupboards and all that. So under my sink was a little bit disorganized. So I was like, you know what, after I clean tonight, I'm just gonna do it because it's easier for you to actually, you know, do it as you're doing some stuff instead of you to actually dedicate a day to be doing all the cupboards. It's gonna be just too much and exhausting. Yo guys, don't judge me. My surfaces are minging, they're disgusting and they're so greasy. So I was using the elbow and grease. It's so good for surfaces like those. Go and give it a go and check it out. It's so good. It comes in a spray bottle or in just liquid form. You can use it for ovens, for stove, like greasy surfaces. It's actually good. So I'm just gonna organize. As you can see guys, that little container, I'm gonna put it like the, you know, like a sanitization little station little situations. There's like you know, gloves, there is hand sanitizers, there is masks, there is, you know, those things like that. And then I'm gonna have another container as well where I'm gonna put the sprays. And also guys, if you're gonna put your sprays under the sink, make sure that you lock it, especially when you've got kids. Kids can just take it and wanna temper and play around with it. So if you close it and put that child lock that is on the bottle, that will be great. It's not gonna, you know, make you feel uneasy if the kids are gonna play with it or something like that. So yeah. So yeah, as you saw earlier on, the potatoes were just under the sink. Everything is just being thrown there. When my husband cooks, he doesn't know where to put things. So I'm just gonna rearrange and put my vegetables in those baskets. I really love those baskets. I think they're handy. I got that one, the taller one that I'm putting potatoes. I got it from, I think it was Home Sense, TK Maxx. Yeah, and I got it for like 12 pounds, I think, or 15 pounds. I'm not sure because it was, you know, a long time ago. And that other basket as well with fruits, I think I got it from Home Bargains. Yeah, something like that. And it was under 5 pounds. And they're actually so handy. I put them on top of my fridge and it's so good, honestly. So yeah, that's me done cleaning the kitchen. It is so clean. I'm actually happy with it. It's not perfect, but I mean, it's all right. When I wake up tomorrow in the morning, I'm just going to be like chilling, and the first thing that I'll be doing is just making a cup of tea. Have a cup of tea, chilling without worrying that the kitchen is dirty or anything. So yo, if you don't go to bed without cleaning, try it. It makes such a big difference. Actually, try to have your dinner around 5, so that by the time it's 6, you're finished having your dinner and you're doing your dishes. By 7 o'clock, you're just literally watching TV, you're just relaxing. And then tomorrow in the morning, you're just gonna wake up and just chill. I love it. So yeah, you can see guys, my flowers, as I was telling you, they make me feel so happy. I just like they do have this like positive vibe that they bring, you know, into your life. I believe all plants actually do bring such a positive lifestyle. Look at my fruits, they're on top of my fridge. So yeah, so handy. Go and check it out, yo. Go and check it out, yo. So now I'm just gonna go into the lounge and try to tie it up. I do this actually a bit late, around 8 o'clock when everybody goes to bed, 8 or 8:30, and then I just pick everything up. just do a little bit of cleaning, nothing fancy, nothing thorough cleaning. It's just a little bit, cleaning. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for everything. I just hope you are going to have a happy 2021, and don't forget to turn the notification